Now, the latest on the investigations on the Mantralaya fire. The fire may have been put out, but trouble from Maharashtra government over the blaze in the Mantralaya is far from over, and that's the news that we are breaking. Now, a police complaint has been made against the top ministers of the Maharashtra government, including the Chief Minister Prithviraj Chauhan himself, BJP MLAs Devendra Fadnavis, Girish Mahajan, Nana Patole, Ashish Jaiswal have filed a complaint in the Marine Drive police station asking to book the Chief Minister Prithviraj Chauhan, PWD Minister Chhagan Bhujbal, Rehab and Disaster Management Minister Padmanabh Kadam, CS J.K. Bhatia and PWD and Disaster Management Department Secretary under IPC Section 304A Negligence, Fire Safety Act and Disaster Management Act. Police say they will decide further on taking actions. Let's cut across to Kamlesh Sutar, who's with us on this bit of breaking news. Kamlesh, it was expected even at the time when the blaze was raging at the Mantralaya, the opposition had called it a conspiracy, and now, as expected, a police complaint being filed.
Well, right as the assembly started, opposition has been demanding to book Chief Minister Prithviraj Chauhan and PWD Minister Chhagan Bhujbal for negligence, because the Chief Minister heads the General Administration, that is the GAD department, and the entire responsibility of Mantralaya is on the PWD department, and that is why they have been asking to book the Chief Minister and the PWD Minister Chhagan Bhujbal, because 5 people have lost their life, and it's there is part of the administration, it's negligence. BJP MLAs today went to the Marine Drive police station and have filed a police complaint asking the police to register and book them under sections of the IPC 304 of negligence, and also under Fire Safety Act and other acts of the Disaster Management Act. Police, however, say that further inquiry would reveal, and only depending upon the further investigation that will reveal, they would decide on whether to take an FIR in this case or not. But let me also tell you, Preeti, just a while ago, while replying to the discussion on the Home Department, R.R. Patil has said that primary investigations have shown that the Mantralaya fire was not a sabotage and was an accident. So whether it is an accident or not, or whether the police will act on this complaint or will file an FIR, seems to be a remote possibility. But as of now, the opposition is very aggressive on this demand and have been demanding to book the Chief Minister and PWD Minister and the Rehabilitation and Disaster Management Minister for this.